Hello, today I will discuss with you the key points of trial balance and how we prepare a trial balance and what are the steps which we have to remember about trial balance, as well as we will discuss the key points with respect to T accounts. What is trial balance? We prepare trial balance for ensuring the arithmetical accuracy of the accounts. So if we at the end of the year, if we are going to make trial balance and both sides, debit and credit side, are equal, it means that the balances which we have obtained from the T accounts are correct, as well as our double entries are also correct. There are some errors which might not be revealed by trial balance, but we will discuss them later on, not now. They are covered in the later chapters. Today we are going to specifically discuss about the trial balance, how we can prepare it in a simple way, a simple trial balance. So once we record double entry, we prepare T accounts, and to make a T account, I can also explain you now how to make T accounts. So when you make T accounts, first of all, you have to remember in T account or a ledger, we have two sides, debit side and a credit side. On debit side, we will record the transactions, or as well as on the credit side we will record transactions. When you record double entry and you post the amount in the T account, at the end of the month you have to find the closing balance. Now the rule for the T account is to find the closing balance that you will subtract lesser side from the greater side. So if the greater side is, for example, debit side and the lesser side is credit side, so you will subtract the balance on the lesser side from greater side. I mean the credit balance, you will subtract it from the debit side, and the differential amount will come on credit side. So closing balance will always come on the lesser side. This rule you have to remember for T accounts. I'm repeating it again, that closing balance in T account will always come on the lesser side, lesser. If debit side is greater and credit side is lesser, closing balance will come on the lesser side or on the credit side. If the credit side is greater, on the vice versa, and debit side is lesser, now my closing balance will come on debit side. So this is a simple trick or a simple rule for preparing a T account. We have practiced in detail how to make T accounts, and we have also post transactions in our practice session. But at the moment I'm discussing with you only the key point, how to make a T account. The key point to remember is you have to subtract the lesser side from the greater side of the T account, and then you will write the amount on the lesser side where you have a smaller amount of balance. You will write it on that side, so that both sides of the T account are equal. Debit side and credit side, their balances are equal and their totals are same. And then you will post this balance as a opening balance or brought down balance for the next month. This is the rule for T account or a hack for T account. And then when you will prepare the trial balance, in trial balance you have to remember that we post all the balances, assets, expenses, liability, revenue, capital, their balances will come in the trial balance. So on the debit side you will write or post on the debit side you will post expenses and assets. All assets and expenses balance, they will come on the debit side of trial balance. This rule you have to remember. And on the credit side you will post liability, capital and revenue balances. So in trial balance you have to remember, on debit side we record the balances of assets and expenses. All assets and expenses balances, they will come on the debit side of trial balance, and all expenses of capital, liability and revenue will come on the credit side of the trial balance. At the end, when you will end up preparing a trial balance, you have to make sure that both balances, debit side and credit side, are equal. So in accounting cycle, as we have discussed now, in accounting cycle we start with recording of transaction number 1. When we record transaction number 1 is step. Number 2 step, we prepare journal entry, or we show the double effect of the transaction. Number 3 step, we prepare T account. And number 4 step, we prepare trial balance. all those balances at the end of the month or at the end of the year, according to the policy of the company or according to your question requirement, it will come in the trial balance. After trial balance, we prepare income statement and statement of financial position. So I hope